Go ahead and push play.
Why?
Just do it.
I'm scared.
It's not scary.
Where is this from? Oh, I missed it. Wait, pause.
Start it over since you messed it up.
Why are you recording me?
Because Jalen asked to see how you react to it.
This is funny. This is really funny.
It keeps stopping right there.
Okay.
Push play. Oh, no, it's not loaded all the way. Okay, so then you didn't get to see the ending.
Where's the ending? Oh.
What's going on?
I like my hair. Did you do it? How did you do it?
Yeah, I did that.
Is this still recording?
Y'all so silly.
Oh, that's funny. Oh yeah, this is when you you butt down Jalen. That's good. Yeah.